Today we'll be learning how to use pixelLab. I hope by now you all have downloaded it, so you'll be able to learn amazing designs, how you design beautiful things with pixelLab. Okay, we'll start from here. This cross right here on top, this plus sign up here, is where you can get your text, your current data. You can also get this plus sign, everything underneath the last column, the last place on your pixelLab. For this thing that looks like disk is where you save your design, either as a project or as an image. This here is for share, we all know that sign. The next one is for quotes. Like when you click here, it's for quotes. You want to design a flyer for someone and you're looking for what to write or how to post, a caption to put, you can get it from here. From this side, you can also get your image, full screen, use image from camera, image size, and like image size here. For our designs, we'll be always using 280 for weight and a height of 1300 for our designs, because most phones, this is the best size for it. So we'll get down here. Here is for deleting. These two columns here in blue, the pencil like and the bin, is for this text. It's for this text. The pencil is for editing, the bin is for deleting. This arrow, this curved arrow, is for undo. It's your undo. You click it, like I move it under here, you undo it, it get backs up. This one is for size. Already is 100%. This one here is where everything you're adding to your design is saved in this column. And why this column is very important in Pixel is because when you, like, I move this text now up and down, and I don't want it to move again because I want to place another design. I come here and I lock it. It can't move again. And I now have it standing in one place so that I can place another thing and not move it in the course of placing it. Then when we get here, this is my project. This is where all the project, all the flyers, all the designs you have, you save it here, so that you can come back if you want to work on it, or if you want to correct something you designed on a flyer. So here is where you get it. This text here, underneath here, is background, different types of background. If you want to pick from here and design anything, you can pick any background here and use. This A here is for text. This text, you want to write something, so you come here, edit. So here you find different features. I will be teaching you how to use them in the course of our training, how to use everything here in designing. Then we'll come to this next place here. This next one is where you get your stickers. You import image from your gallery, you draw. Here is where you get shapes, your shapes. You delete it. Here is where you get curves, like I want to curve something. This one is for a master class. This is not for beginners. It is very difficult to use. Here is for arrow. I want to get an arrow to help me design something. Then this next one here is everything about your background, from your color if you want your background to be transparent, your image size, you download image from your gallery to here. Everything under here is for your background. Like I want to change the color to this, or I change the color to red. So here is where you get all your background color. This is where you click, you change your background color. You click the fourth icon underneath. That is where you change everything about your background. Everything about background. If I want to get it from gallery, I click here, it goes to the gallery. Let's see if we can get any image we can use for our background. Okay, let's see this one. You see, I click this image now, it has become our background and it can't move. It's now steady. So this is where you get it from. But if you get image from this place, from this import, it's image that can move. It's not steady. You see, you can move it. You can move it. If you click from this place, if you click from this third icon on the one that looks like two shapes, it can move. But when you click image from gallery here, from this fourth icon, it can't move. It's permanent. It will become your background. You delete it back. So here is for everything related to your background. You want to make it bright, you want to make it strong, you want to saturate the color, you want to put stripes, you want to do anything, you see it. Here is everything about your background. Here, everything you want to set it right, to tone it to what you want. Here is where you get it from. At the course of our training, we'll be learning how to use different types, everything here. So this one is just for tutorial on how to use pixelLab to design anything you want to design. So I believe when we do our first practical this evening, we'll learn how to use it to design a flyer, a simple flyer. So this is how to use pixelLab.